Everybody, we're going to make a Kirby video this morning. Kirby G10 Sentria from 2010, December of 2010 at that.
Luckily, there's Colos. It's the #1 doctor-recommended stool softener brand for occasional...
I took the shoelace with it. That goes the freaking floor. There we go. Running just as loud as mine does. And that jumping in the tech drive here, guys. Focus. What causes a Kirby to jump? If your machine is going against the grain of the carpet, it causes the tech drive to jump, which is hard on the tech drive. That's why tech drives go out pretty quick on these. Alright, y'all, drop a like, comment down below, subscribe for more videos. I'll see you right back here in the next Kirby video. Have a great day and Merry Christmas, everybody.